attention. Good morning. Hello, good morning. Please, Lila, microphone in silence, Lila. Ayuden a Lila a poner su micrófono en silencio, please. Okay, listen to me. How are you today? Are you sad? No, right? Are you happy today? Yes, you're happy today. Okay, now, and how's the weather today? Is it cloudy? No, today it's sunny. It's sunny, it's very hot. Okay, before to start, we're going to remember the wild animals, okay? Remember, this is the shark. Oh, the dangerous shark. Shark. Eat a shark. Remember? Eat a shark. Please, Lila. Okay, eat a shark. Monkey. Eat a monkey. Okay, a monkey. It's a monkey. Lion. It's a lion. Okay, it's a lion. Good. This. It's an octopus. It's an octopus. Okay, it's an octopus. An octopus. Please, Lila, your microphone. Tu micrófono sigue prendido, Lila. This is an elephant. It's an elephant. It's an elephant. Look at this. Tiger. It's a tiger. It's a tiger. Giraffe. It's a giraffe. It's a giraffe. Okay. Continue. Look at this. This is a panda. It's a panda. Okay. It's a panda. Good. Okay. Look at this. It's a snake. It's a snake. And to finish, dolphin. It's a dolphin. Okay? Don't forget the wild animals, but today we're going to learn about farm animals, okay? Farm animals. Pay attention, please. Pay attention with my farm animals, okay? Look at this. Pay attention with this. Okay. Look. Farm animals. These are different animals. Look at the first one. These animals live on the farm. Okay? Farm. They live on the farm. This is the first animal. This is a horse. Look at the horse. It's beautiful. Repeat in your house. Horse. Horse. Okay, very good. Another animal. Look, beautiful. Sheep. Repeat. Sheep. Very good, very good. Sheep. All right, very good. Next. Look, what's this? It's a cow. Cow. Look at the cow. The cow is black and white, right? Look. Cow, okay? It's a cow. Repeat. Cow. Very good. Another animal. Oh, look at this. Look at this animal. It's a pig. Pig. It's a pig. Okay? It's a pig. Next. Oh, look at this. Look at this animal. It's cute. It's a rabbit. Rabbit. Repeat. Repeat in your house. Rabbit. Rabbit. Look at the mouse. The rabbit is with the mouth open, right? Good. Next. Look at this animal. It's a duck. 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 It's a duck. Okay, repeat, duck. Good, very good. Now, you're going to listen to the farm animals, okay? Listen to the farm animals. Pay attention to me. Pay attention, and you're going to listen to the farm animals. Please, Lila, your microphone. Sorry. What animal is it? Now, let's participate, okay? Let's participate. But please, Lila, Joseph in silence. Lila, que alguien te ayude ahí a apagar tu micrófono. Tu cámara está apagada, pero el micrófono está prendido. Llama a mamá, papá que te ayuden, Lila. Que te ayuden ahí. Okay. Joseph, your microphone, please. Tu micrófono. Thank you. Okay, let's start, okay? Pay attention, please. Pay attention. And listen to Santiago. Santiago, listen the animal, okay? You're going to listen the animal. 1, 2, 3, Santiago. What animal is it, Santiago? What animal is it? Did you listen? Listen again, Santiago. Listen again. Santiago. What animal is it, Santiago?
¿Qué animal es? No, inglés. Sheep.
Sheep, right. Sheep, correct. Very good, Santiago. That's it. Next. Very good. Okay, continue. I continue with Fabricio. Fabricio, please. Listen to the sound, Fabricio. Listen. Okay, listen, Fabricio.
Me toca.
Okay, Fabricio. What animal is it? Is it a cow or a pig? Tell me, Fabricio. Cow or pig? Listen again.
Horse.
Fabricio, what animal?
Horse y cerdito.
¿Es it cow or pig?
Pig.
Pig, very good, that's right. Very good, Fabricio. Now, continue with Gerard. Gerard, is there? Gerard? Okay, Gerard. Fabricio, in silence, please. Gerard? Is there Gerard? Okay. Gerard. ¿Está Gerard? Yes or no? Okay. Continue with Kayla. Kayla, you listen, please, Kayla. Kayla, listen, please, Kayla. Listen, Kayla. What animal is it, Kayla? Is it a duck or a cow?
Cow.
Excellent, perfect, very good. Next, continue with Brianna. Brianna, pay attention, Brianna. Pay attention, Brianna. No, another animal. Brianna, what animal is it? Is it a rabbit or is it a sheep? What animal is it? Brianna? Rabbit or sheep? Excellent, Brianna. Sheep. Good. Excellent. Continue with Gael. Gael. Listen, Gael. Listen. Listen, Gael.
Yes, aquí estoy.
Gael, tell me. Is it a cow or a horse? What is it? Cow or horse?
Horse.
Horse. Horse. Good, Gael. Thank you. Joshua. Joshua, pay attention, Joshua. Okay, Joshua. Listen. That's very short. Okay, Joshua, tell me, what animal is it? A pig or is it a duck?
Duck.
Excellent, perfect. Duck, very good, Joshua, that's good. Continue with Andre. Andre, listen.
Good morning, teacher.
Listen, good morning. Listen, Andre. Wow. Good. What animal is it? Is it a rabbit or a horse?
Horse.
Horse, correct. Very good. And to finish, I'm going to say Santiago. Santiago, listen. Okay, Santiago, what animal is it? Santiago. Is it a cow or is it a sheep?
Sheep.
Fuerte.
Sheep.
Sheep, excellent, perfect. Luana is there, right? Luana, listen, Luana, listen. Luana, yeah, Luana. What animal is this, Luana? Is it a duck? Luana, is it a duck or is it a cow? What animal is it, Luana? Luana, is it a duck or a cow? I can hear you, Luana. Oh, Luana. Okay, Lila, what animal was this? Listen again, Lila, okay? Listen, Lila. Lila. Lila, what animal is it? Duck or cow? Lila, is it a duck or a cow? Listen again.
Cow.
Moo is saying, right? Duck or cow?
Cow.
Cow, very good, that's right. Good, okay. Now, we're going to listen a song, okay? You're going to listen a song. Look at this. What is this animal? Okay. You're going to, okay. Sorry. One moment, please. One moment, please.
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a pig, E-I-E-I-O.
Old MacDonald.
Oink, oink here and an oink, oink there. Here an oink, there an oink, everywhere an oink, oink. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
What was another animal? The first one was the pig. Another.
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a duck, E-I-E-I-O. With a quack quack here and a quack quack there, and an oink oink here and an oink oink there. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
Listen to another animal.
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a horse,
Horse.
E-I-E-I-O. With a neigh-neigh here and a neigh-neigh there, and a quack quack here and a quack quack there, and an oink oink here and an oink oink there. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
Another animal.
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a sheep,
Sheep.
E-I-E-I-O. With a baa-baa here and a baa-baa there, and a neigh-neigh here and a neigh-neigh there, and a quack quack here and a quack quack there, and an oink oink here and an oink oink there. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a cow, E-I-E-I-O.
The cow. With a moo-moo here and a moo-moo there.
And a baa-baa here and a baa-baa there, and a neigh-neigh here and a neigh-neigh there, and a quack quack here and a quack quack there, and an oink oink here and an oink oink there. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a turkey,
Turkey.
E-I-E-I-O. With a gobble gobble here and a gobble gobble there, and a moo moo here and a moo moo there, and a baa baa here and a baa baa there, and a neigh neigh here and a neigh neigh there, and a quack quack here and a quack quack there, and an oink oink here and an oink oink there. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
Very good, class. Okay, now we'll continue. What was the first animal? Please, your microphone in silence, Lila. What was the first animal? Was the pig. I mentioned the pig. Now, with an oink oink here and an oink oink there was the pig. What was the next? Was the duck, right? The duck. With a quack quack here and a quack quack there. The next animal was the horse, right? Was the horse, right? The sound, what is the sound of the horse? Neigh, neigh here and a neigh, neigh there, right? Next, it was the sheep, right? That sheep. Okay, with a baba here and a baba there, yeah? And the cow. The another animal was the cow, right? With a moo moo here and moo moo there. And the final animal was the turkey, el pavo, right? The turkey. Very good. Now you're going to participate one more time and you're going to say what animal is the picture that I'm going to show you, okay? Let's start with Fabricio. Fabricio, please. Fabricio. Fabricio, where is Fabricio? Okay, Fabricio. Fabricio. Look at this animal. What animal is it? It's, Fabricio, it's a
Horse.
cow. Good. It's a cow. Very good. Don't forget. It is a. Okay, very good, Fabricio. Next. Kayla. Kayla, please pay attention. Kayla. Hello, Kayla. Kayla, look at this animal. What animal is this? Is a sheep. Good. Very good. It is a sheep. Very good. Continue with Lila. Lila. What is Lila? Lila. Pay attention, Lila, okay? Pay attention, Lila. Okay, Lila. Lila, listen to me, Lila. Where is Lila? Where is Lila? Okay. Lila, what animal is it, Lila? Lila? Oh, Lila is not here. Continue with another, with Joseph. Joseph, please. Joseph, tell me, what animal is this? Joseph. It is horse. Very good. It's a horse. Very good. Continue with another student. I'm going to show you Karen. Karen, please. Karen. Hello, Karen. Karen, what animal is this? It is a pig or duck?
Duck.
Duck, that's right. Very good, Karen. It is a duck. Very good, Karen. Good. Excellent. Let's continue with Luana. Listen, Luana. Okay, Luana. Luana, look at this. Luana, look at this animal. What animal is this, Luana? It is, tu micrófono, Luana. A ver, Luanita. Tu micrófono, Luanita, para escucharte. Activa tu micrófono, Luana. Oh, Luana. Busca mami o papi que te ayude, Luana, a activar tu micrófono, ¿ok? Continue with Brianna, please, Brianna. Where is Brianna? I'm going to Brianna. Okay, Brianna, look. What animal is this, Brianna? It's a... Pig. That's right. Very good. That's pig. Very good. That's good. Continue with Gael.
Triana, lee acá. Yo no sé qué estás ahí moviendo tu poto.
Microphone in silence, please.
Lee ahí.
Microphone in silence. Okay. Gael, please. Where is Gael?
Pues aquí está.
Sorry, te estoy buscando para ponerte, Gael. Sorry. Se mueve la pantalla, Gael, sorry. Ok. ¿Ya, Gael? Yes, Gael. No tengo video de Gael. No tengo imagen de Gael. Ok, Gael.
Yo prendí el micrófono.
Ok, Gael. Look at this. What animal is this?
Duck.
Duck. It's a duck. Okay? It's a duck.
Duck.
Very good. Okay, Gael, good. Joshua, please tell me, Joshua. Joshua, where is Joshua? Joshua. Joshua. Sorry, Joshua. Okay, Joshua, tell me, what animal is this? It's a cow or sheep?
Fish.
Sheep, that's right. Very good. Correct. Andre, now it's your turn, Andre, look. What animal is this? It's a egg. It's a horse. Very good. And Santiago, please, Santiago. Santiago, where is Santiago? Santiago. Okay, Santiago. Santiago. Look, what animal is it? It's a horse or a cow? Horse or cow? It's micrófonos están prendidos de algunos, solo Santiago. It's a cow. Good, it's a cow. Very good, Santiago. That's excellent. Very good. Cow. Very good. Very good, Santiago. No, please. Están prendidos por ahí. Thank you. Okay. Good. Okay, class. Look, now we're going to finish the class, but we're going to say bye-bye with a song, okay? You're going to say bye-bye with a song. One moment, please. You're going to say bye-bye, but you're going to...
Bye.
You're going to a ver, van a comenzar primero para decir bye-bye, ¿ok?
Bye.
Okay, pay attention. Say bye-bye.
Un video de Facebook.
Bye, goodbye. I can clap my hands. I can stamp your feet. I can clap my hands. I can stamp my feet. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Goodbye. Bye-bye, bye-bye, goodbye. Bye-bye, goodbye. Bye-bye, bye-bye, goodbye. Goodbye. Very good. Goodbye. We're going to finish, okay? Say bye-bye to your teacher. Bye-bye.